In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Miro board. In order to do that, we first need to head over to Miro.com and from in there, input right here your work email. For this case, proceed to click on this sign up free in order to create an account. You can use your work email or you can also use your Google account in order to sign up. So since I already have an account, let me proceed to click on this login option that we can see into this part. Here is my actual board. It's blank right now, so let's proceed to add a video. To do that, click on this plus icon that you can locate into this part, and then it should be able to open in here this. Click on this search bar and search in here for video. You can either embed an iframe code or add video calls which needs full license. Since we just need a video, you can click on this embed iframe right here. And then for this, let's proceed to get iframe. So you can get iframe from Vimeo as well as YouTube right there. So let's head over right here into our YouTube and let's get a video from here. So into this part, let's head over and get an iframe. For this case, click on this share, click on embed, and click on this copy. And then add the particular option or the particular embed iframe into this part in order to add it. Another option that you can use is click on this plus icon, search in here for upload, and then click on this upload option. Then you can choose to upload from your device or other options right here. For example, let's upload by a URL and let's get the URL from this video. You can proceed to add that right here and click on OK, and after that the video will be added right here into this part wherein you can see it right here. You can also change how it looks like, or you can also choose to upload from your device by clicking on this and proceed to upload the video from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.